What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Rico the Waver. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to keep your hair fresh every day. So basically, how to keep your hair fresh all day, every day, for the rest of the day. How to just basically keep it fresh, healthy, and just A1 all day. So you go all day with your rag off and just keeping it fresh and healthy. So just to start off the video, you're going to need your mirror. You're gonna need a brush, and you're gonna need either some type of oil. Go get you that oil right here. Go ahead and get you that Rico essence oil. Alright, so once you got your oil, you feel me? You got a nice little soft brush. We're on a fresh cut. Plastic bag. We got our plastic hand right here. Lay down G. That's a lay down G right there. And that's all you're gonna need for today's video. So once you got your oil, your softy, and your lay down G in your mirror, what you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and unwrap. And you're gonna wanna have a silky. You got a silky Rico 360 surf rag right here. That's that sunburst. So you gotta have a rag. So we got a couple of things out of place we gotta fix here. You know, all over the place. You know, we slept and a lot of the things did not lock in the right way. So after you do that, I'm gonna grab this brush right here for the crown. It's a nice little brush with a pointy tip. You wanna just get a quick soft brush session in. What you're doing right here is getting everything into position. Just like that, you're gonna want a vertical brush. Alright y'all, so I know y'all gonna be like, okay, you Rico the Waver, you're supposed to know this, but there's things I don't know too. Like, I'm still new to this just like y'all are new. You know, it's still things that I need to pick up on that I don't know. So I have a question to ask you guys. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments. Let me know down in the comments, you know, I'm having a problem with, it's not thickness. Like, my hair gets thick. I have definition. It's just that I think that I'm cutting too low. Like a 1.5 be really low. The 2, everybody thinks I have 1.5. So, you know, I know they say like horsehair wavers are supposed to be cutting at like a 2, but I think next time I cut, I'm cut at 3 because this is a 2 and it's only been a few days. Today's Monday. I've had to cut since Thursday. Today's Monday. And look how you can see like I don't like how you can like, you know, it looks like a 1.5 and y'all always think it's 1.5, but I swear I get 2s. And y'all like, look how it's like, you can see my scalp, you know? It's not full, it's not, you know, filled in, you know? Like, I want everything to fill in when I get my 2. I want it to be more dark and more defined, you know? They're locked in for sure, but it's just like, you can still see my scalp, you know? I've been slacking a little bit, but you know, I'm trying to get back on that brush because, you know, I have people out here that I need to motivate, but it's like, I feel like the 2s are just not it for me anymore, and I want to try the 3s. Honestly, want to try the 3s, and I want to bring you guys along with the journey. So the day I officially go to get my cut with a 3, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, get that cut with a 3, and I'm gonna show you guys how to maintain a 3 with the grain. You know, because I'm not liking the light areas of my hair at all. I'm not liking it at all. You know, I don't really want to see that, you know? When I get my cut, I want it to be thick and full, healthy. Like, don't get me, and this is with no products in right now. Like, don't get me wrong, my hair is healthy. It's, you know, thick and it's healthy. Like, don't get me wrong, my hair is healthy. It's just, it's not like, my hair is not, it's just like, it looks thin. It looks thin, but it's not. So let me know down in the comments, like, do y'all think it's the cut? Do y'all think I just need to brush more sides are defined than the other? Or what? But anyway, with that being said, you know, make sure you grab your oil. Watch the instant shine though. This with no product, I had no products in. You want to keep your hair at least oiled twice a day, but basically keep it fresh all day. So you can spread the twice a day out for how when you want to do it. You can do it once in the morning, once in the afternoon. You can spread that out, but you want to definitely moisturize twice a day. But I'm definitely gonna get back to brushing because even your favorite waver slack. But y'all see that shine? I know y'all see that instant shine. Even y'all favorite wavers slacking away again, man. It happens to the best of us. It's just life. And sometimes it don't even be slacking. I can be working in other areas and just not focusing on my waves itself right now. Like, I know I can always bring that back. So I'm focusing on like my brand, or I'm focusing on my couple channel or my gaming channel. You know, y'all can go take a subscribe over there if they haven't already, but You know, I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think, you know.
But don't get me wrong, like, I am spinning. You know, I just feel like when I get my cuts, they don't look as thick and full as they do when I'm whipping. Obviously,
I have more hair on my hair. That's why I want to go thicker. Like, I want to try a 3.
So I'm gonna take y'all along in the process. But yeah, man, you definitely want to keep your hair, you know, oiled up. way I'm going to be able to get it to lock up. Every time the cut comes to the crown, I'm going to just do my back just like that, man. And then for this part, I'm going to just start coming this way. So I'm going to start transitioning my whole entire back. I'm going to just swoop up. I'm going to just start swooping up, bro, because it's time to lock that crown up.
Just like that. Once I get that back like that, it's over with. You feel me? From the point, just transition the whole entire back. Because I'm tired of coming down this way and then trying to cut it. No, just swoop the whole entire back. That way when I brush that side, I can bring that like that. That can come like that, doom, 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 doom. Just like that, I can go just like that. Make sure you rag up so your hair can stay laid. You dig? Rico's merch rag right here. As y'all can see. like that. That's how I'm gonna start brushing my back. And I think I'm just gonna start getting threes. It's over with. I'm gonna start getting threes and start brushing my back. Like, it's things I'll do. It's things you will always do in the way again, what you just gotta love and have patience. You gotta have patience with your pattern. Have patience and have trust, you know? Trust the process. You're gonna go through mistakes. You're gonna start brushing a different way. You know, it's just life, you know? You're gonna find new ways to brush and you're gonna transition without you even knowing it sometimes. You're gonna gain forks, you're gonna drop forks, you're gonna get a lot of forks. You know, it can just happen by transitioning, by, you know, even if you change the slightest little brush stroke, you can make a big change. Like how y'all seen my crown was in the beginning of the video, but I guarantee by the end of the video, like, okay, he swooped his crown up and he locked it in. So now I'm gonna just start keeping my hair at a 3 and train it to be laid down. You could do this, it's possible. Don't think nothing is possible, you could do it. So all I do is tell myself, I'm gonna start getting a 3, and that's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna start laying my hair down and training it to be laid down at a 3. I'm forcing my hair to go the way I want it to go, because it's my hair. Don't let the hair rule you, you rule the hair. Rico the Waver, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, check it out, man. Hey man, make sure y'all go check out my other channels, man. I'm active on that couple channel all the time. So make sure y'all tap in, man. Don't forget to like, run this video to about 100 likes. This was how to keep your hair, you know, fresh all day. All day, keep your hair fresh. It's oiled down, it's brushed, it's ragged up, you fresh, you ready to go. You get to the event, you unrag, you're busted. By the end of the event, you slap more oil in your head and you're ready to go.